Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Snapchat is updated and your phone's location services are on. This saves time and prevents permission errors. Once done, open the app and tap the map icon in the lower left to load Snap Map. If a permission dialog appears, grant precise location so Snapchat can share accurate live location data. Make sure to check battery settings too, because background location may be restricted and will stop live updates if blocked. Next, locate your friend on Snap Map by typing their name in the search bar or by tapping their Bitmoji if visible. When you tap their Bitmoji, you'll see location details, a movement indicator, and a timestamp showing when the location was last updated. Use the map's zoom controls and the directions button if you want turn-by-turn guidance. Keep in mind friends only appear if they've enabled location sharing with you or have the map open. That's why you might not see everyone. To finish, if you need to share your own live location, go to your profile, tap Share Location and pick a duration or turn on Ghost Mode to stop sharing. Make sure you and your friend have mutually allowed sharing, otherwise you won't see them. If a location isn't updating, restart the app and check location permissions and battery/background refresh settings. If that fails, update Snapchat. Most issues come from app permissions or outdated versions, so verify those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.